Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. I'm going to show you how to locate your battery in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the door. Over here, down near the footrest, there's a little lever. Pull that lever. So the hardest part about this is trying to find the hood safety. It's over in this vicinity over here. What you want to do is take a ruler or a tape measure, line it up with the eye, and go over 9 inches. And then grab underneath there. And then you're just going to feel a little lever. You're going to push up. That's the lever. If you had to jump start your car and you didn't know where the battery was, or you were looking to change the battery, your battery is actually located under this cover. It does not indicate anywhere on the cover that the battery is here. What you do is you fold these tabs down right here, and right here. And this door is actually broken, but normally you would just lift it up like that. And there's your battery right there. This is the negative post on this side. This is the positive post. So you would hook the red up to here, black up to here. So if you wanted to change the battery, you would actually have to remove this panel on here. But if you were just trying to locate the battery so that you could jump it or to see if it was good or bad, this is how you would do it. So like I said, this cover is broken, but normally you would just fold this down and then lock it back into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.